Let's go and we will show you what we do, how we move. We move is a world-class technology for factory automation. We move this, we move that, we move the conveyor. This we also move.
We move everything. Yeah!
We are the forefront and a specialist in industrial hydraulics. But when it is about factory automation, we are second to none. We move with a future technology that you can trust. We move more and the most. So you can move less. We have been moving for more than 225 years to answer all your factory automation, hydraulics and service needs. We always move together.
We move.
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 You win.
I'm still moving. ได้ยัง